Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So recently we saw an RTI reply that is available in the public domain, and this RTI reply mentions the sanction strength and the actual strength with respect to IFSCA. And I thought since the IFSCA grade A notification is expected to be released anytime soon, so I should definitely share this RTI reply with all of you, which will give you a clarity regarding the notification and also related to vacancies. So as a part of this video, we will see the RTI reply, and also I'm going to provide you the expected date of notification with respect to IFSCA grade A. But before we discuss these things, here is a small announcement. We know that PYQs play a very important role with respect to the preparation for any competitive exam. So what you have to do for IFSCA PYQs, you can go to the description box, you can click over the link and you can download the free ebook from there, which will provide you detailed answer key with respect to the different questions that have been asked in the previous years. Fine. So go and download. Now moving forward, let us talk about the expected date with respect to IFSCA grade A. So basically the expected date is, I would say, end of August. ठीक है, लास्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त तक नोटिफिकेशन आ सकती है, बहुत हाई चांसेस है. इसके अलावा apart from that, if you want to see that how to prepare for the examination, how to use your RBI preparation in order to crack IFSCA grade A, what is the syllabus, what is the decoded version of the syllabus, right? And apart from that, how to prepare for different components, all these things you can see as a part of the different videos that we have already uploaded on this channel, and you can go through the playlist of IFSCA, and based on that of course you can optimize your strategy. So this is regarding the expected date. उसके बाद चलते हैं RTI reply पर. So regarding the RTI reply, I would like to say that the RTI reply says as of August 6, 2025, the number of sanction strength का मतलब है approved strength, fine, approved strength with respect to different positions. And the second is actual strength, which means the current strength that is there as a part of IFSCA. So you can see it for different type of post. And if you talk about assistant manager, which is IFSCA grade A, over here you can see कि जो approved position है, that is a sanction strength, it is 62. And what is the actual strength, the working strength or the current strength? It is 38 only. So what is the difference? The difference is 24. And this is, I would say, is a positive sign. This is a positive sign which shows that there are high chances that the notification is going to get released, and this gives you some idea regarding the vacancies also. I hope it is clear to you, right? So I hope this will give you some type of confidence that yes, the notification can get released very soon. And I would say please start preparing. Do not wait. Do not wait. Please start preparing for those components, those non-overlapping components with respect to RBI. जो चीज़ें RBI के साथ overlap नहीं हो रही हैं, उन्हें prepare करना शुरू कर दो, ताकि एक बार जो notification आ जाए, आप अपने time को better way में manage कर पाओ. And before I end the session, let me also tell you that basically how EduTap can help you as a part of your IFSCA grade A examination. So for that purpose, you will have to go to a website, you will have to go to courses section and IFSCA grade A में जाना है. And over here you can see we provide different types of courses. For example, the single courses are also there exclusively for IFSCA grade A, and the combo courses are also there. For example, if you want to prepare for IFSCA and PFRDA, so what you can do, you can go to the website and you can read the details that we provide: concept classes, concept notes, chapter wise test, full length test, all such sort of things. And currently the offer is also running off website, which is the freedom sale that is there, flat 72% off. The coupon code is India 72. So it is for the limited period till 15th of August. So basically if you want to purchase this course, please do apply this offer. Fine. And rest of the details, of course, you can go through a website and you can read all these details. So if you think it can help you as a part of your preparation, you can definitely go for it. And if you have any questions, any doubt, any query, you can write it in the comment box and I would love to address all of them. So thank you so much and all the best.